Got some questions from my short about, can I say that I am actually tired? Some people were concerned and say, like, Keysha, are you telling me that I can't say I'm tired? You guys know, if you say I am tired, you become it. We're talking about when you perpetually say something over and over and over again, it actually becomes your identity. Right. And so on the physical level, it's okay to feel tired. That is just a part of life. Your body has limits. You are human. But metaphysically, which is what this channel is about, this channel is about metaphysics. Okay. Metaphysically, I am is not a description, it's a creation. Those two words are the name of God within you. So every time you say I am, you're giving command to your consciousness. When you say I am tired, you're not just describing your body, you're instructing your subconscious to become more of that tiredness. So you lock in that state. That's what the concern is. So that's why I say we don't say, we be careful what we put behind I am, because that's sacred language. That's not just a statement. Oh, I am. No. That's sacred language. So that's what I was actually talking about. So instead, you can honor what you feel while keeping your identity higher. My body feels tired because you're human, and that's fine. But I am actually energy itself. I am being restored. I am allowing my body to rest while my spirit stays strong. This small shift keeps your I am pure. That's the goal here, right? Keep your I am pure. And it reminds your subconscious who's really in charge. Your awareness, not your condition. So hopefully that cleared that up, right? You're human. You can be tired and all that, but you don't want to have an identity. And some people have an identity where they're always tired, right? They're always saying, oh, I'm so tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. And so now you lock in a state. And so everything around you, mind, body, spirit, it locks in to that identity of being tired. Hopefully that helped. Drop me a comment if it did.